Why can't I use Google search keyboard navigation with Chrome? Roughly about a week ago, I stopped being able to use keyboard navigation in Google search, i.e. press tab and up, down arrows. I had no issues before, and I've changed nothing as far as I can tell. The issue only occurs in Chrome. Firefox works fine. Google search keyboard navigation works fine in incognito as well, so I tried disabling all of my extensions to no avail. However, if I clear the browser cache, the navigation works fine until I load up Gmail in Chrome again. So it seems tied to the local Gmail cache data, but I have no idea why or how to fix it.
It turns out that there's an option in the Google search settings that inadvertently disables keyboard navigation. Make sure Google Instant Predictions is set to always show instant results. Edit, I found the reason I kept accidentally enabling this as well. If you hit tab and then enter, a natural instinct for me to go to the first link, it will select and activate the link for screen readers to disable the instant search, which causes this issue.
Looks like this feature is available to some languages and some not. My search settings were in Hebrew and was changed to English, and now I have the search navigation. This URL.
This feature is no longer available out the box. This answer explains how to do it using Chrome extensions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.